Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today we will be discussing about packages in Java. A package in simple words is just a folder. Assume that it is a folder and a structure that allows us to create programs or projects within a single folder. What it means is that a package is a folder in which we create all the interrelated programs of Java. It is a very simple topic, and if you have VS Code, if you are using VS Code, it makes it even easier to implement packages in VS Code. So let's just create a package now. So here if you right click on the Explorer, you can just see here the new Java package. Just click on the Java package and enter, let's say, any name. For example, let's for me if I'll just say testing, and if I'll just say enter, we now have a folder called testing. So this we have now created a package. We can also create a package by just clicking on the new folder icon here and creating a folder with your desired name, and that becomes a package by itself. So within the package, if I now create, let's say, a new Java file of, let's just say, test1, I have now created a program within the package. So this is now a program within the package. You can say that it is in the package by seeing that here we see the first line of the code is the keyword package and the name of that package. This implies that this program is present in this specific package. So if I create another file in this, let's just say, because we need to, let's just say test2. You can see the same thing here again. It says package testing. So it implies that it is in the file or the folder called package testing, the testing package. So if I open the program, the previous programs that I have worked with, you don't see any package file here. And also remember that the package line should always be the first line of a program. So if I add something else here, let's say import Java, just for example, you can see that it gives an error that says byte or accepted or something has been expected, which means that it should always be on the first line of a program. So this is how packages work in Java. If you're working with a different IDE than the VS Code, let's say IntelliJ, it has some kind of similar steps or similar creation process, and then you can start working with packages. Remember that as long as you work with a program within a folder, it has no errors or no warnings even. But whenever you work outside of a package or a folder, when you're creating a single file method, you'll always see a small squiggle here that says that it is not within a project or a package. You can do two things whenever you see that a yellow warning, which is you can just ignore it, or you can create a new folder in which you're working with all the Java programs that you're trying to run. Now this is about packages in Java. See you in the next one.